Chime is a digital banking app focused on simple checking and savings with fee-free everyday banking, while Varo is a mobile bank built around spending, saving, and early access to direct deposits. The main difference is how each one structures access to your money and financial features. By the end, you'll know how each app handles deposits, how their account features compare, and which one fits better depending on whether you want simplicity or more built-in money management tools. Chime is designed to replace a basic bank account. It gives you a checking account, savings account, and a debit card you can use for everyday spending. The main focus is removing traditional banking fees and making basic money management simple from your phone. Varo is built as a more feature-driven banking app. It also offers checking and savings accounts, but it adds more structured financial features like spending tools and savings automation options designed to help you manage money more actively. Now break down direct deposit and access to funds. Chime is known for early direct deposit, which means your paycheck can show up as soon as your employer sends it, depending on processing time. Varo also supports early direct deposit and focuses on giving faster access to incoming funds while keeping everything inside its mobile banking system. Now, talk about overdraft and spending flexibility. Chime includes a fee-free overdraft feature for eligible users, allowing spending beyond your balance up to a set limit based on account history. Varo also offers overdraft protection depending on account activity, and it builds additional controls around spending and account monitoring. Now, talk about savings features. Chime includes an automatic savings feature that helps move small amounts of money into savings over time. Varo also includes savings tools, but it focuses more on structured financial control, helping users actively manage both spending and saving inside the app. Now the key difference. Chime is built for simplicity and fee-free digital banking. Varo is built for more structured financial control with added tools for managing money behavior. So the decision depends on how you use your banking app. If you want a simple replacement for a traditional bank account with minimal setup, Chime is more straightforward. If you want more built-in tools for managing spending and savings, Varo gives you more structure. Here's the simple breakdown. Chime focuses on simple, fee-free banking with basic tools. Varo focuses on more structured money management with added features. Both offer mobile banking and early direct deposit, but they serve slightly different needs. Do this next. Think about whether you want a simple banking setup or a more structured system for tracking spending and savings. Then compare how often you actually use financial tools beyond basic deposits and payments. If you want simplicity, Chime fits better. If you want more control over how you manage money, Varo is the stronger option.